What you doing? You recording?
Uh-huh.
What for? Here we are. Calypso Cay Resort. Waiting for our keys.
Langosh.
Langosh. Go to the room, then pool, I guess, and afterwards spend some money.
Where?
Vineland outlet malls. Our money. No, we're recording.
What happened with your head?
Yesterday I showered and I put the hat on. So. Is this better? I slept good. So far it was a bit uncomfy, but I was tired, so it was a good night's sleep until someone woke me up to open the bathroom door.
That was like their fault. I can't go in to your parents'
They
room.
remember.
What?
They remember, oh, someone's gonna want to come in at night. I should open that door and unlock the other. I don't think so. But show them the pool. Guys, did they see it? So around in that light thing, there's a pool there, supposedly. You can't see it very well.
But we are here in Calypso Cay.
Kissimmee, not Orlando, Kissimmee.
But we are about to go to
Lisa Beach.
Lisa Beach.
Disney's water park. Waiting for my parents to finish the meeting, business meeting, and then we can go.
Breast and turkey legs for Penny. Chip and tuna sandwich for me. Alright, here we are in Blizzard Beach, and Jesus is up there. He's about to take this ride. I'm scared as fuck, so I'm not gonna do that. Hi! And I'm gonna record this with the iPhone. How did you feel?
At first scared, but now it was worth it. It was very good.
It took that one.
The summit plummet. I've done all of them. I am finished. I did all the rides.
I saw the run, I'm too scared.
We should do the one on the left. The slusher gusher.
Oh no. That's the whole part. Day 2. We are going to
SeaWorld.
Yay!
Our first theme park today. I don't know.
And here they have the squirrel.
The longest tallest,
fastest, tallest roller coaster
in Orlando.
Yeah.
Called Mako. Let's see this thing.
Okay, I think that will be the big roller coaster. That's a huge manatee, and the baby one, and the skaterfish. Wow.
It's a bit hairy.
It's crazy.
The face is pretty small.
Uh-huh. How many right here?
Water $3, Powerade is $4.25, beer $8.50.
In an hour, we had 5 rides. And now we're about to watch the dolphin show. And it is raining. Day 3, Aquatica.
What are you doing?
I'm recording.
Oh, okay.
This is the 3rd day, guys.
Thursday, yes.
In Aquatica, but the weather is not so good.
It's not the best, let's just say. It could be better.
He took one ride
That
with
one.
Fred, and I took one with Daniela, and then they closed everything. With Fred.
We had ourselves a turkey leg with some barbecue and some mustard, some french fries for free.
And now?
And now we're sharing a towel and trying to take a little nap here.
He took that ride. So the weather is like, over there it's nice, but over there not so nice.